Today we're going to talk about solving linear equations. Exercise number 1. 7/9 x minus 4/9 x equals 1/4 plus 5/12. What is the value of x? As we know from before, we will look here, we're going to deal with fractions. The first step, we're going to add like terms. We'll look at this part, we have this is x and this is x, so these are like terms. For our good luck, they have the same denominator, so it's very easy to add them. Our denominator here is 9, and our numerator is 7 minus 4, and this is x is equal to, if we want to add these two fractions, they must have the same denominator too. So we know that 12 is a multiple of this part here. Our denominator is 12. Our numerator is 1 by 3, which is 3 plus 5. So the following step is 3, 9, x, 8, 12. To have some sensors that alert when I see that these numbers are not written in the simplest form. So first, this is equal to 1 over 3. I divide both by 3. And here, I divide both by 4. It will give me 2 over 3. Now, I have here a new fraction, which is 1/3 x is equal to 2/3. If I want to find x alone, I multiply by the reciprocal. So this will give me x is equal to 2/3 times 3 over 1 x. And this is my final answer. I must have a common denominator here too in order to add. So I have these two parts. I'm going to just multiply them by x minus 1, x plus 1. And here I cross multiply. This will give me 4 multiplied by x plus 1 plus multiplied by x minus equals 35 over x squared minus here. I'm simply going to multiply them. These are two brackets having the same terms but different signs in the middle. So this will simply give me the square of the first, which is x squared, the minus sign in the middle, and the square of the second. 1 squared and up. I'm going to break the bracket. Give me 4x plus 4 plus x minus 35 over x squared minus 1. Now I can see that I have the same denominator, so I just can cross them. And up, I'm going to add the like terms. 4x plus 2x will give me 6x, plus 4 minus 2 plus 2 will give me 35. So I'm going to solve this normally. He wants the value of x simply, so I just subtract 2 from both sides. It will give me 6x equals to 33. It's only x by 6. So this will give me x 33 divided by 6, which both can be divided by 3, will give me 11 over 2. Here, he wants the value of w. We simply want to get rid of the 3/5. If I want to get rid of the fraction, I just multiply by the reciprocal, of course, both sides of the equation. So here, this will give me 1w equals 4/3 multiplied by 5/3. Nothing can be simplified here. So w equals 4 times 5 equals 20 divided by 3, which is 9. Here, I want you to pause the video and try to solve it alone. I'm going to do the same thing here. 2/3 t 5/2. So I want to get rid of the 2/3. I just multiply by the reciprocal. So this will give me t equals 5 over 2 multiplied by 3 over 2, which is equal to 15/4. Whenever I realize that I have a part of a fraction here and the other side is just a number, I think about cross multiplication. X minus 1 over 3 equals k. I consider that this is over 1. I just cross multiply this by this and this by this. So this will give me x minus 1 equals 3k. Here he gave me a value for k. So I'm going to substitute with it. X minus 1 equals 3, by x minus 1 equals 9, and x, we get 10. Okay? Two-thirds y. He gave me a value for y here, so x equals 2/3 multiplied by 18. We just simplify this, it will give me 12. He wants here 2x minus 3. He doesn't want the value of x simply. So first, we change x to 2x, where we multiply both sides by 2. It will give me 2x equals 24. And then you're going to subtract 3 from both sides. Minus here. Then my final answer is 2x minus 3 equals 21, which is 5x plus 6 equals 10. What is the value of 10x plus 3? First, I'm going to subtract 6 sides. So this will give me 5x equals 4. He doesn't want 5x, he wants 10x. I multiply all of this by 2. It will give me 10x. I leave a space like that. It will give me 8. Now he wants it plus 3. Plus 3 and plus 3. So 10x plus 3 equals 11, which is C. 3r equals 18. What is the value of 6r? 18, he wants 6r plus. I'm going to begin to change this into 6r. So I multiply it by 2 sides of 6r. I leave a space and write 36. He wants to add 3 to both sides, plus 3 and plus. So 6r plus 3 equals 39, which is B. Here we have an equation. If 16 plus 4x is 10 more plus 10, then 14 plus 14. What is the value of 8x? First, I'm going to write my equation in the proper way. 16 plus 4x equals 10 plus 14. He wants the value of 8. Okay. Then I'm going to keep 4x alone. Before I do that, I'm going to subtract 16 from both sides. So this will give me 4x. 10 plus 14 was 24. But 24 minus 16 is 8. But he doesn't want 4x, he wants 8x. I just multiply this by 2. It will give me 8x equals 6. 4 times the number x multiplied by x is added to 12 plus 12. The result is 8 equals 8. What number results when 2 times x, which is 2x, is added to 7? This was my question, and this is the given. I'm going to write it in proper terms. That's going to be 4x plus 12 equals 8. Okay. Now I'm going to keep my 4. I must use my sensors here, and I'm going to divide the whole thing by 2. Okay, because I want here 2x. So this will give me 2x plus 6 equals 4. Then I want the 2x alone. I'm going to subtract the 6 from both sides. It will leave me with my 2x equals negative 2. Now he wants it plus 7. I'm going to add 7 to both sides. So my answer will be 5. I hope this lesson was clear. I want you to try to solve all of these problems again alone and train yourself till the coming week.